W01 Portable Spot Welder, officially launched. Adopt high-temperature purple copper welding pen integrated design. Synergistic inflow of double pulse technology, stable and unbreakable. Single pen operation is more convenient, iPhone transplant battery cell more easily. Equipped with 2.4-inch IPS display, upgraded vision. Dual independent gear-free switching, a variety of modes to select, suitable for a wide range of scenarios. Specific power settings to meet the needs of a variety of welding. Anti-slip design, solid upgrade to make the operation is as smooth as running water. Intelligent battery temperature display, be perceptive of nuances. Remember the number of spot welding, engraved ingenuity. Built-in 4000 mAh/70C capacity rechargeable lithium polymer battery, can also be used as a power bank. Compact body design, giving anytime, anywhere welding experience. Support Aweshine platform OTA upgrade, get the latest version at any time. Equipped with spot welder, spot welding pen, nickel sheet, file and other tools, ready to buy and use. Aweshine W01 Portable Spot Welder, officially launched.